Hi, my name is Joshua Vea and I'm the account manager for SentinelOne at Networks Unlimited. The evolution of endpoint protection solutions started with traditional antivirus, as organizations needed to protect their endpoints due to this being the main gateway into their network. However, this only prevented known threats due to it being signature-based. Later, they discovered that more visibility was needed, which gave rise to EDR. However, with this came a new problem, as teams were swamped with large quantities of data that still needed to be organized. This inevitably cost organizations time and money, as they had to employ skilled professionals to filter through this data. SentinelOne is an advanced EDR solution that will save your organization time and money due to its ability to autonomously contextualize data across all your endpoints, allowing teams to find the root cause more efficiently and protecting your endpoints from both known and unknown threats using its AI technology. SentinelOne not only solves the data problem, but has other key differentiators too, such as the ability to roll back your Windows endpoints to their previous state before a breach, ensuring your endpoints are protected both on and offline, and the ability to generate a graphical triage view of all the processes that have taken place. Contact me to find out more about SentinelOne's value proposition.